there, I'm Hunter with Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to shut off your home's main water supply and other important water shutoffs. Knowing these locations and how you can turn them off can prevent a major mess in case of a leak or a flood. First, let's talk about the main water shutoff valve. This valve is usually the best way to stop water from flowing into your home. You'll typically find it in one of three places. If you have a basement, it might be on a wall close to the street where your water line comes in, often low on the wall or near the floor. The valve might be in a utility room, garage, or crawl space in homes without basements. Outside, it's usually near the foundation or in a covered box set into the ground. Once you locate it, the shutoff valve will usually look like a round knob or a lever. If it's a knob, you'll need to turn it clockwise until it stops. This closes the valve and stops the water flow. If it's a lever, turn it so it's perpendicular to the pipe, and that should cut off the water to your entire home. You might not always need to turn off the main supply. Sometimes it's just a specific appliance or fixture causing trouble. Let's go over some of these common spots. There's usually a valve above the unit for your water heater. This valve only shuts off the water going into the water heater, which can be helpful if you have a leak or need to service it without affecting the rest of the house. It's usually a lever or a knob similar to the main valve. Next, let's talk about your toilets. Every toilet has its own shutoff valve, which you can find under or behind the toilet near the wall. Just turn the valve clockwise to stop water from flowing to the toilet tank. This can be handy if you're facing an overflow or need repairs. Then there are your sinks. For sinks in the kitchen or bathrooms, you'll typically find two small shutoff valves under each sink, one for hot water and one for cold. Turn them clockwise to stop water from flowing to the faucet. These are great for minor leaks or any repairs to the faucet. If your refrigerator has a water dispenser or ice maker, there's a valve for that too. Look behind or near the fridge, sometimes within a wall panel or nearby cabinet. Again, turn it clockwise to cut off the water. Knowing where and how to shut off these valves can save you a lot of headaches, time, and money, especially if you're dealing with a leak or a small flood. Remember, if you're unsure how to stop a leak, shut off the main valve and call a professional. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.